Welcome to the Hippo roller blind installation video. Today, we will show how to install a roller blind in an outside mount position. But before we begin, let's take a look at the accessories included in the package and the additional tools you'll need. Inside the package, you will find the Hippo roller blinds, plastic wall plugs, screws, hanging brackets, and cup hook fasteners. Other than this, additionally, you'll need a screwdriver, a drilling machine with bit number 6, a pencil, a measuring tape, and an additional level meter to check the level. Here's the window where we will be installing the roller blind. Proceed with measuring and marking 2 lines, 15 centimeters inside from both sides near the corners, and 5 centimeters from the top of the window. Place the level meter along the top edge of the blinds and adjust the blind's position until the level indicates a perfectly level surface. Once the blinds is in level, make lines that indicates the correct level. Place the bracket over the marked point and mark another point for the second hole of the bracket. Repeat the same process on other side of the window. Before drilling, it's important to set the correct depth for the plastic wall plugs. Take the drilling machine and mark 38 millimeters on the drilling bit to ensure the depth will be correct for the plastic wall plugs. Use the drilling machine with the marked bit to carefully drill the marked points. After drilling the holes, insert the plastic wall plugs into the drilled points on both sides of the window. Next, take the hanging brackets and align the brackets with the wall plugs. Now, using the screws provided, securely fasten the brackets onto the plastic wall plugs. Tighten the screws, but be careful not to over-tighten and damage the wall plugs. With the brackets in place, it's time to install the Hippo roller blinds. Align the blinds with the brackets and apply gentle pressure until you hear a clicking sound. This indicates that the blinds are securely fixed. Your Hippo roller blind is now successfully installed. Cup hook fasteners are designed to keep your roller blind in place, even in windy conditions. They work in conjunction with the reinforced wall fasteners already installed on both sides of the blinds. To install the cup hook fasteners, begin by rolling down the roller blind completely. Once the blind is fully rolled down, take a moment to mark the spots with a pencil where you want to fasten the cup hook fasteners. Now, grab your drilling machine with a bit number 6. Before drilling, mark a point at 38 millimeters on the bit itself. This will ensure the correct depth for the plastic wall plugs. With the bit prepared, carefully drill the marked spots on the wall. Ensure that the holes are deep enough to accommodate the cup hook fasteners securely. Once the holes are drilled, insert the plastic wall plugs. Then fix the cup hook fasteners into the holes. Make sure they are tightly secure. With the cup hook fasteners in place, your roller blind is now even more secure and resistant to wind gusts.